Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Cash App. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Cash App application on your device and you will be taken into the login page where you will be asked to enter your credentials. Now you can enter your phone number after entering your country code, or you can also tap on the use email option if you wish to use your email address. You can then type in either your email or phone and then tap on the next button and you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to either one of these methods. You can check your inbox or your SMS and you will find this code right away. Go ahead and type in this verification code and then tap on the next button, and now you will be logged into your account on Cash App right away. If you haven't already added a payment method, you will be prompted to add this, and you can also tap on skip if you wish to do this later. And now you can directly start making your transactions using Cash App on your smartphone. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Cash App application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.